you a damage. He make you a useless person in life. Omawia kwasia e wa brabom. The Bible says you nam call a shame. I don't care wherever you are. You people are throwing outside into the sea. Me found in my palm to go a car mobile. Me am family mada. These are the 5 pillars things that I'm going to talk about it. But the Jonah are inviting into your life. Bible said the man Jonah was a shiny one. When he entered the sea and the boat, not air court, ties in afraid here. Oko pe baby I hope for now so you know what say. Only so one fraud down football in Jonah. I'm an better when Jawa say when you're room. Because I didn't know the Italian now why I didn't know bizarre. I done it in the day. So one should and cook with our quaint one to something and go on. And you may know my children. You may be a coso. You may be a coso or the more to you the more I am cook with you. And never say after some maybe video, the catch us, I will not allow myself any human to come into my life. Make a blank answer. I will never permit any human. Me to show you a biaraso. And my name is family in your and my name is Jimmy Jumaso, and my name is Jimmy Warrior. So, me measure now, my name is Madame. Make them pay a back carnage now, crying. Man, destroy you, make them pay a yes, 7 of your person should tell me. Maybe I see with young couple shop. And say, oh, the from Hamburg. Young couple says, I will share video. I see God bless you. Just share the video. Just share the video. I see God bless you. Messi, today we are talking about Jonah. The topic is Jonah must go. Jonah chapter 1, verse 5. Bible says, Nema Jonah questions him or ye. Or maybe before a book. Or my one that Tim and Tete. Oh my one and send me now. Actually, one nippedia. So when you not come into your life, it costs you a lot of problems. But say when you know who anyone see, or how you are champagne in Polo, or many, or now from for 1 year, a bushel for 1 year. This is what you not can break into somebody's life. Sana was waiting now. Who from young coupon to home, whom you are no mom. And to suffering because I the woman mean Tiawalenas, and me dear now what me practicing out. Me shall cause a person after the worry near Mantisa about the dead there is a Jonah. There is a Jonah, our warriors. There is a Jonah, our boy. There is a Jonah, our no better. There is a Jonah, our way. He is causing all the problems. And until this are the 5 pillars things that you need to work when there is a Jonah coming into your life. Mrs. Tony was saying, today we are talking about Jonah must go. Just share the video for your brother. Just invite somebody. The page, the name remains as a King Cancer on Facebook Live. Mrs. say Jonah Barbara Bunwa, or my warrior check, or my bear money disappointed about you, or my bear money lost to the love that he had for you, or my Obama lost so and Yame Piao, now what the good plans that she has for you. On my boss, any free when him on my when your favor in a one of when who could be any good anymore. Who could be any pagan or the idea of one edge of Chimel who can't be few. Robo perfume banzo, Cassania, Yakataya, oh, banner man for people. This is Jonah. What Jonah can bring into somebody's life. Bible says Jonah will rise, Shenmue. What the damage can send a 2 or so. And then my only secret shooting to Akoto get the unwitting now of Jonah and my head to lean because of the need peace. O passion here. O Pahoto. O Penkundi. O Power. And I want to go point out almost also more pain. And I won't in this there's a Jonah. Of course, and never be now. And now when you mounts say, oh, but when you there is a Jonah somewhere. Me see obi a Jonah tina bra bomu no. E dey so obi say one seed mpa wonya. E dey say enipa ebo ne din ka asem. Masa wonti enema bi ase won e na waye emfame ho no. Ana woni mi say wa to nzafre Jonah bi wonu na bombai bi wonu na sufre nyankopon dede so na kache wadi say mama no ho kwan. And there is Jonah be penetrate into my life or destroy me near my path. I don't want to see that Jonah in my life again. Because evangelist King can say when there is a Jonah, there is no peace. When there is no Jonah, there is no stability. When there is a Jonah, there is no something called a favor or marriage or visa or promotion. Say Jonah bad situation in one or manager worse. On my better things making worse things. On my day you good, you bad. Only burning at the mouth. That's Jonah. And man, Jonah and share many mono. Now a beautifully for content in the and son of Jonah ever come who was sending. Moment a Jonah bold. There is a bad air from a bonibus as a bow and bow rush and minimum. Now, only your mind is because we don't want to lose their life. Almost as I told me, see, come over, did ya, Mokodi, and usually, not Shaman Munaha, and so now one person. I mean, can't show only Papa, called the Dako, the best same Paya Wabuya. So, one when you embrace seriously, now when break it things down, and cancer, maybe in Swabra, and come maybe, and Swabra, or you soon in Korea. And there might be a foundation that would be so many years are building. One day, friend, our Jonah will be dreaming never. Son of Jonah Barbara will say, you don't bring good things into your life when you not enter the destiny. Or no Pejaniama or breaking your map down. Because Jonah only the papa be the man. Why jump on you when you're going a down for you and when your hands over one walk when when you're not over what will seek us will do much money while one is my but in crater someone you're not or pass over send your money near my power bomb by our second. If you get out or teaming can any year to my own feeling the message, not on share message in a radio and cooperation. Now, ready beginning you in a dear flow. No mercy, Major. Also, and now we hear me. Messi, I do my dear. Yeah, Mayuna come and name a tray of Brabum. May a Mayuna come and name a name and Nanti, and a Shantali and Chrayan, and my dear Dumasamons, and we are warrior. And Sunday, the assassin, them defend. I was here, them higher casual chap, and maybe be a woman movie. Situation, be a woman be a family now. Now, probably for a brother. There is a Jonah in your praise, and he is causing the damage. There is a Jonah in your marriage. There is a Jonah in your praise, in your environment. The situation, and you Jonah been a diato. A brabona who you a woman, there is a Jonah. There is someone called Jonah. Or Banya Mama was saying, I might be green. Say Jonah better brabona. And the papa be no finance table. Say Jonah, oh my Jonah, quite a man bed near Kunyat so or sitting every 2 4. Or sending one pebble or deduct 2 machine in a glasses. Jonah, you to me, the new sending out here a day as some and wherever you are watching me from. I said, I'm speaking against Jonah. Libra part of me, young Commissioner. Mrs. Jonah Bawa Brabumua. I say video, mammy. I'm a news, I always say video. Say Jonah Brabumua. You don't bring any good things into your life. Or best sell when tomorrow, you go a warrior. Best sell when you young. Part of me, God bless you too. I just shared the video. Don't invite Jonah into the situation Bravo, no Yona, Uyano, Uyana, Uyasu, what? You don't need Yona, but you need God. You need Father Yahweh, you need Allah. Just invite Allah into the life. The situation does not need Yona, but the situation need Allah. Nyankopon na Uyano, and Yamina, Uyana, our destroyer, Yona, your destroyer. You need Allah to come into the situation. The problem that you are facing, let me say, you're going to have wow, no one film and Yona, and rather Allah, Father Yahweh, Jesus Christ of Nazareth, the resurrection man, the power force of the powers. On the way in Navy. Listen, the quotation means something in Jonah chapter 1-5. Bible says the Jonah bopping shaman and from a palm was a man with that. Apostle said to the country, said, Jonah, you need power in Ponini. So, whom you need, ma'am, my name is Tiahaban, from Bible can you let you from Bible come you need your chapter. And when I say you know better now, I need you. A bravo say you need be better. Hey, you are telling me about Shiasi. Then when you come on Bonnie, oh my way, when you are gone. That is what Jonah can bring to life. It is so be one bomb fire. And your boss where the Jonah a better situation. Let him go. Let Jonah must go. My Jonah need Fabra Bonnie, Namina found him. Salban is every year. Before we take in cancer, and I didn't go for this route. Mrs. Jonah Barbara Bonimoa. Yankayanuntum. We don't be silent when there's a Jonah in the situation. You shouldn't be quiet, but be serious person of prayer. Who hears over from Yankupon, call God first into the situation, and let God, the Spirit of God, clear Jonah from the situation, so that you can have your peace. Say, oh, Pastor Pepa, Edia, and yeah, now actually say you can see the bomb. And your bomb pie say we are in Yankupon. Jonah be what him up that boom. I bet Miss Cousins, I bet my warrior, I bet many Jesuit, I bet in Kankum, I believe strongly that the power of the Holy Spirit will remove Jonah, and therefore you have your stability and your happiness in marriage. What kind of Ben on Kratas and Sabeka? Mama Yem Pam Jonah and Fia Brabum. We don't need Jonah, but rather we need God of Nazareth. Enshra ubi biara or King Cancer. Mediani Evangelist King Cancer. The King Cancer on Facebook class is a Fiadabia. I go to buy 12:30 Ghana 8:30 and up, and I'm in Facebook Live. Normal days we ask me to me by Facebook Live. Me YouTube me as a King Cancer on YouTube. I didn't go on to share video. Me say I didn't am so go ya to is don't think say I from question Abba. Who a big mama we are self and that's who be group as should really include one in Bible was one. I want top hours one. And only I don't see it. Yes, and the telephone number is going a plus 971 545 929 plus 971 44 545 929 Offer me, I do back. I don't see it. Yes, everything Uncle Poncha said now a summer with the bound channel, Odia assume. Now, after Neno, you are sorry, Maka. Now, one when you have been more prominent in the bearer, Wabra will know the miracle of God. Because so is so when you receive the favor of God, so what are we on the few Abraham? The difficulties, and I will be easy. I did a dinner and Nippians and come. We didn't feel about home pine. So we did you and if you are bonus or my Jonah qua. A wedding uncle, a bedroom. Intimate topic is Jonah must go. It can say Jonah bear or Tabra, but one